Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how we can print worksheet in Excel. Just, just suppose this is a data in Excel you have and you want this data to be printed, and the easiest way is to press CTRL plus P, Control P. This is a print command. You need to click on your sheet anywhere, then press Control P. So now you can see we have got a print dialog box. Here you can make the changes according to your print requirement. This is how your printout will come out. You can see you can make the changes because this portion will be printed. So there are so many options. If you want to, you can see there is a option. First option is copies. How many copies do you want? You can give according to your requirement, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will follow your instruction, and you can choose your printer from here. It will detect your printer. There is only one page, that's why there is not showing any page here. If you had multiple page, then it will reflect your pages also. You want from one page to 4 page or 1 page to 10 page, so it will show over here if you had multiple pages. And it shows your print active sheets. So there is only one sheet over here, that's why it is showing like this. And it is portrait or orientation. Portrait orientation means it will be in a portrait mode. And this is very important, like how do you want your printout to look like, from top to bottom or from left to right. So if I make any changes, there are two options: landscape orientation. Let me show you how does it look like if I choose this landscape orientation. See, so now I have chosen landscape orientation. So now my data is showing from left to right. Now you can see my all data is reflecting over here. So this is the use of this. And left to right option is used very less, not very much. Mostly we use for printout when we print out resume. So mostly portrait orientation mode is only used. Data is like this, that's why it is showing half of the data. So when we do print out, when we want resume, we always choose portrait orientation. Only then you will get the format piece from top to bottom. I mean, it will look like this portrait orientation. It all depends on your data. If you have a data from landscape format, then you need to use this landscape orientation. So mostly data is printed out in portrait orientation only. And from A4 this option, you can choose the paper size. See, there are so many options how do you want your printout to look like. Let me try and make some changes. Let's see what happens. See, it got changed. So you can make changes according. Mostly A4 is used. And here it is very important, margin. So you can give margin. You can also select it's normal, and if you make any changes wide, then it will look like, see, wide margin. Now there is narrow margin. So there are 3 options. You can choose what you want. Whatever you want your data to be printed, you can select from here: normal, wide, narrow. There are 3 options here. And after making all the changes you want, you can give this is a tab print. If you have done with all your changes, then you can click on print and it will print out your data. Now let's back to the sheet and let me show you one more interesting thing. And what if you want your data to be printed, you don't want the entire sheet, you just want to select some of the sheet, like I want to select this one, and you just want to get print off this section only. So what I'll do, I'll select this area, then I'll go to page layout. You can see there are options after file, home, insert, there is a page layout. You will go to page layout, you can see there is a option here, print area. Just set print area. So I have set the print area. Now see, if I use Ctrl P, but what it shows, now you can see it is showing the only that area which I have selected, and I had set the area for print. So this is also option you can select. And what if you want this set print area to remove? Nothing, just go to the same clear print area and you will have the data what you had before. And you can also make changes from here also. You can see there is a margin, you can give a margin from here also, orientation, see portrait or landscape, you can choose from here as well. And size also, paper size, what I shown you there, see you can select from here also. Break and background, if you want a picture, or if you want picture to insert in the background, then you can select from here. You need to upload it and it will print the picture as well in your background. Print tiles and height, width, there are so many things you can select from here. And there is a page setup also. From page setup also you can select, you need to click here, there is a small icon. Page setup also you can give your requirement, margins, header, footer. If you want something to write in your header, footer, then you can write here, sheet. And there are so many options here, header, footer, margin, page. You can select your requirement from, you can make changes from here as well. And you can also see the print preview, how will it look like. See, this is the print preview. And see, there is one more option here, I forgot to tell you, fit to. It means that if you have more data and you want your data in one page only, then you can select to this one, fit to, then it will select in one page. If you want in one page or two, so you can select fit to also if you want your more data to be in a one page only. And here you can also change like portrait, landscape, I shown you already. So you can try it yourself and practice it. Unless you do the print out, how will you get to know how does it work? So you need to practice with your printout also. Just try how after giving all this changes, and how does your print come out. You can also customize the margin with this options, right, left. There are so many options, horizontally or vertically. Do it yourself and practice, only then you will better understand. So this is how you can set up print in your data. Alright, this is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.